got the Galaxy A27, and let me show you how to connect an Ethernet cable to provide wired internet to this phone. Now for this one, you're gonna need an adapter, and that's basically an Ethernet to Type-C adapter. So this Ethernet adapter like this one, this specific one is from Ugreen. You can use any from any company, and simply connect the Ethernet cable to the adapter like that, and then the Type-C end of that cable, the Type-C end of that adapter into the phone. Of course, the other end of this Ethernet cable is connected to the router, and that gives you internet connection. You can even see the icon right here in the status bar showing you that that is now you're now using a wired internet connection. Okay, simple as that. Now you don't have to use that adapter. This is specific for Ethernet to Type-C. You can pick up one like this from Anker, which is very versatile. So it has HDMI, it has Type-C, a full-size USB, SD card, micro SD card, and of course also has an Ethernet port. So you can use this to connect many more peripherals to your phone besides the Ethernet port of the Ethernet cable. So that is basically how to use wired internet on the Galaxy A27 5G. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.